Ever had a raised bed that looks great one week and tired the next? Leaves drooping, tomatoes sulking, soil either dusty, dry, or swampy wet. Here is the surprising truth. Most raised bed problems are not fertilizer problems. They are watering mistakes. Today you will learn the 5 watering mistakes quietly destroying raised beds and the simple fixes that keep plants thriving all season. The first mistake is watering too shallow. It looks like you are watering enough. The soil gets wet on top, plants get a quick drink, everything seems fine. But shallow watering trains roots to stay near the surface, and surface roots dry out fast. Think of plant roots, like someone looking for water in the desert. If water is always shallow, roots never dig deeper. When a hot day arrives, the plant panics. The better method is deep watering. Water slowly and long enough so moisture reaches several inches down into the soil. In most raised beds, that means watering until the soil is damp 6 to 8 inches deep. Plants are a bit like teenagers. If everything is easy at the surface, they never bother digging deeper. The second mistake is watering at the wrong time of day. Many people water during the heat of the afternoon. It seems logical. The garden looks thirsty. But midday watering is one of the least effective times. Heat and sun cause water to evaporate quickly before the soil can absorb it. The best time to water raised beds is early morning. Morning watering allows moisture to soak deep into the soil while temperatures are cooler. Plants also start the day fully hydrated, which helps them handle heat better. Evening watering can work too, but constant overnight moisture can encourage disease in some plants. The third mistake is overhead watering. Spraying water across leaves might feel satisfying, but it creates 2 problems. First, much of that water never reaches the soil where roots need it. Second, constantly wet leaves can encourage fungal diseases, especially on tomatoes, cucumbers, and squash. A better option is watering at the soil level. Drip irrigation, soaker hoses, or careful hand watering at the base of plants sends water exactly where it is needed. Less waste, healthier plants. The fourth mistake is watering without checking the soil. Many gardeners water on a fixed schedule. Every day, every other day, same routine no matter what the weather is doing. But soil moisture changes constantly. Rain, temperature, wind, mulch, and plant size all affect how quickly a raised bed dries out. The smartest gardeners do one simple test. Stick your finger 2 inches into the soil. If it feels dry, it is time to water. If it feels damp, wait. This quick check prevents both underwatering and overwatering. The fifth mistake is mulch confusion. Bare soil loses moisture quickly. Sun and wind pull water away faster than plants can use it. Mulch acts like a protective blanket. A 2 to 3 inch layer of straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips helps soil hold moisture longer and keeps roots cooler. But too much mulch can also cause problems. If mulch is piled too thick, water may struggle to reach the soil underneath. The goal is balance. Enough mulch to protect moisture, but not so much that water cannot penetrate. Let us quickly recap the 5 watering mistakes that harm raised beds. Watering too shallow, watering at the wrong time of day, using overhead watering, watering without checking soil, moisture, and mulch mistakes. Fixing these 5 habits alone can completely transform how your raised beds perform. If you want a simple place to start, begin with the easiest step. Check your soil before watering. That one small habit can prevent half the watering problems gardeners face. Raised beds dry faster than in-ground gardens, so consistent deep watering and mulch are your best long-term strategy. Healthy soil, deep roots, and steady moisture create the strongest plants.